Soon I will present this energy drink, Bulgarian energy drink. Actually, I found this energy drink in a Bulgarian shop, and I think it's originally from England, but I am not sure about it. So we will try to test this product, and we'll compare it to the original one. Here I cannot see any English ingredients, or except the title. The title is in English, but if we can search for any English written here, we cannot find anything. So soon we will try this product, and we will try to evaluate the taste and the effect. Thank you very much, and follow us soon.